Turn now to the courtroom. Today is day 2 of Brandon Walker's first-degree murder trial. The Peoria County man is accused of fatally neglecting his son, Navin Jones, leading to his death in March of 2022. WMBD's Durante Matthews is in the courtroom today, and he joins us live from the Peoria County Courthouse now. So, Durante, tell us what you learned today.
Look, Rebecca, I'm not even going to lie to you. It was definitely a tough day to be in that courtroom, especially for a viewer. A lot of disturbing images and gruesome details about 8-year-old Navin Jones. Prosecutors showing evidence that they say will prove that 41-year-old Brandon Walker fatally neglected his son last year, while Walker's attorney is pointing the blame at Navin's mother, Stephanie Jones. Rope, a note, and no doorknobs. Day 2 of Brandon Walker's first-degree murder trial for the 2022 death of his 8-year-old son, Navin Jones, give an unsettling look into the child's life through testimony and disturbing images.
The smell of the room was putrid. It was like nothing I've ever smelled before.
Tuesday morning began with opening arguments, the state looking to prove Walker fatally neglected his son.
The defendant withheld food, nutrition, and medical care from Navin,
while Walker's attorney is pointing the finger at Navin's mother, Stephanie Jones.
Stephanie Jones has pled guilty in this case to the crime that my client is charged with. She's the guilty party. She pled guilty to it just a week ago. She's the murderer in this case.
The state's witnesses, including those who knew Walker, reacting to the gruesome autopsy photos of Navin. Others on the stand, first responders on scene minutes and hours after Navin's death, some describing the 8-year-old's cold and malnourished body. Others commenting on photos and videos of his home, showing a full fridge, a stained bathtub, images of Navin's bare bedroom, feces-stained closet with a lock on it, and a sign on his door telling his older brother not to feed him. A forensic pathologist attributes Navin's death to chronic malnutrition and abuse.
His facial features were very sunken, again due to loss of fat underneath the skin and loss of muscle tone.
One of Walker's attorney's big points was Navin's parents couldn't get him much-needed medical attention because they didn't have legal guardianship over him. But one nurse that we couldn't film in court testified that they were taking Navin's older brother to doctor visits, even though they didn't have legal guardianship of him either. Now, also on the stand today was Brandon Walker's mother, Laura Walker, who's also Navin Jones's grandmother and who was his legal guardian at the time. She testified saying that in the summer of 2021, she left Navin with his parents just for a few days so she can go to Florida to visit her mom. But when she came back, the parents refused to give Navin back to her. And she says she's reached out to DCFS and police both in Peoria and Washington and said no one would help her. Tomorrow will be day 3 of the trial, and we're expected to hear more testimony from the state's witnesses and also the defense as well. For now, live in downtown Peoria, Durante Matthews, WMBD News.